Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Joach. I am your English teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you how to speak English from the beginning to the highest level. Today's lesson is divided into 4 parts. The first part is alphabet. The second part is to be. The third part is personal information. And the fourth part is vocabulary. Let's get started with the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's talk about to be. To be is the most common verb in English, and it is a helping verb. Let's conjugate it. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. What's the use of to be? We use to be to give personal information like your name, your address, your birthplace, your phone number, your apartment number. Let me give you some examples with questions and answers. What's your name? My name is James. What's your address? My address is 235 Main Street. Where are you from? I'm from New York. What's your phone number? My phone number is 561-806-5656. What's your apartment number? My apartment number is 4B. Be cautious when you give your phone number. Do not say 0 but O. What does that mean, personal information? It means concerning or affecting a single person or something that can be personal for you. Let me give you some examples. Your name, your birthplace, your social security number, and so forth. Today's vocabulary is famous. What does that mean, famous? It means widely known. Example, I am a famous person. That's all for today. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit that red button, subscribe right below.